and you will have to write down the questions which can be asked in your interview. Today I'm not asking any question, but you're only writing questions today. And in the next class, I will be asking you questions. These are the frequently asked questions. ये क्वेश्चंस फ्रीक्वेंटली पूछी जाती है इंटरव्यू में, जिसका आंसर आपको आना चाहिए और कई बार इस क्लास में डिस्कस भी हुआ है. आप क्वेश्चंस आज लिखेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि एक एक क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आप जानिए. किसी को प्रॉब्लम क्लास में हो रहा है तो क्लास में अगर लिख रहे हैं तो पूछ सकते हैं. आप प्रिपेयर्ड होकर आइएगा तो आपके लिए ये आसान हो जाएगी. ठीक है
मैम, आज बस क्वेश्चन लिखना है क्या?
आज सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस लिख दीजिए. आज ओनली क्वेश्चंस लिखवाएंगे और एक एक करके इसको आप 5-5, 10-10 करके आप तैयार करेंगे. ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट क्लास में.
तो द फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टेल मी अबाउट योर फैमिली. चेंज कर दे रहे. टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. उसके बाद आता है टेल मी अबाउट योर फैमिली. तो इसी क्रम से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा ये जरूरी नहीं है, बट यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू स्पीक अबाउट योर फैमिली. ये क्वेश्चंस, these questions are important और आपको जानना चाहिए. फॉर सिंपल कॉन्वर्सेशन, फॉर कम्युनिकेटिंग, फॉर इंटरव्यू मालूम होना चाहिए. क्लास में डिस्कस हो जाएगा, लेकिन कोशिश करनी है आपको. बी प्रिपेयर्ड. थर्ड इज व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ. आपके जो प्लस पॉइंट्स, आपके जो क्वालिटीज है, आपकी वो स्किल्स है जो कि आपको आगे ले जा सकता है, जो आपने सीखा है, जो डेवलप किया है, जो आपके प्लस पॉइंट्स हैं वो आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स हो जाते हैं. आपके इनर स्ट्रेंथ भी हो सकते हैं. लाइक you can be courageous, you can be optimistic, you can be a person with a positive approach in life, you can be a person with patience, you can be a person with who is having an adaptable nature, who is adaptable, जो हर जगह वो अपने को अडेप्ट कर लेता है. What are your weaknesses or drawbacks? इससे वो स्किल्स आप लिखेंगे, अब उसके बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि आपको इम्प्रूव करना है, जो आपने इम्प्रूव अभी थोड़ी कमी है उसमें. बिल्कुल से कमी नहीं है, थोड़ी कमी है, थोड़ी इम्प्रूव करनी है. फ्लॉज क्या है, ड्रॉबैक्स क्या है, वीकनेसेस क्या है. The fourth question is, what are your short-term goals? What are your short-term goals? It means goals for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. The short-term goals will take you to your long-term goals. मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म गोल क्या है, आपका फोकस क्या है, वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए क्या क्या करनी है, आपको क्या क्या स्किल डेवलप करना है, वो आपका हो गया शॉर्ट टर्म गोल. For example, improving your technical skills, improving your communication skills, taking up a job for experience. मतलब वो हर चीज जो आप करना है, जो आप कर रहे हैं, जो कि आपको लॉन्ग टर्म गोल में, आपके फ्यूचर में आपको हेल्प करने वाला है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अगर 6 मंथ्स सॉरी 2 मंथ्स 3 मंथ्स आप सिमज में भी है, तो 2-3 मंथ्स में आपका शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स क्या है, क्या क्या करना है आपको। सबसे पहली बात तो आपका शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज टू अटेंड ऑल द क्लासेस, to improve my drawbacks, to short term goal can be to make smart goals, smart achievable goals जो आप अचीव कर सकते हैं, the goals which will help you in your future, वो short term goals होता है। What are your long term goals? Long term goals can be you into you studying BCA. The long term goal can be to work in a company which will give you a platform to learn and develop your skills, to see yourself successful in a company which will provide everything which you are aiming for. What do you want to be doing 5 years from now? Or there's another question, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Or what do you want to be doing 5 years from now? From 5 years from now, I would be working in a company at a good position. आंसर्स आप बना के हमको डिस्कस करेंगे। If you could change one thing about your personality, what would it be and why? अपनी पर्सनालिटी में कोई चीज बदलना चाहेंगे आप, इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस ट्रेट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप इनिशिएट नहीं करते, आप थोड़ा शाई हैं, आप कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं, आप थोड़ा लो प्रोफाइल रखते हैं, आप ज्यादा बात करना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, ग्रुप में आप थोड़े परेशान हो जाते हैं, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, एनीथिंग अबाउट योर पर्सनैलिटी जो कि आपको लगता है ये सही नहीं है, ये हमको चेंज करना है, what would that be? So if you could change one thing about your personality, what would it be and why? जैसे मैंने बताया कि I want to change one thing about my personality, which is I feel uncomfortable in a group. So this thing I want to change because I can have a lot of problems if I cannot communicate, if I do not initiate, if I do not start a conversation. People might people might misunderstand me for being very cold, for being aloof, not alert, being aloof, being uncaring. Right. Question number 8. What does success mean to you? What does success mean to you? This should be in your own definition. Success to me means achieving whatever I want to, doing something and accomplishing it. This is success to me. What does failure mean to you? Hello, are you listening? Hello? Question number 9. What does failure mean to you? Failure to me, it means that you're getting another chance to succeed. When you take up failure as a challenge, failure to me means another chance to try again, to be successful. Right? Question number 10. Are you an organized person? If you are an organized person, you are doing things what you should be doing. And you are doing things the way it should be done. Not only doing things, but knowing when to do and what to do and how to do. And at the right time. This is being organized. So the answers cannot be in yes or no. The answers can be asking for explanation. In what ways are you organized and disorganized? When it comes to my studies, I am very organized. And when it comes to informal communication, when it comes to meeting friends, partying, this way I'm disorganized because I cannot spend much time. I cannot invest much time. And yes, I'm disorganized because sometimes I do not attend parties, do not meet friends. I become disorganized sometimes when I am too much involved in my work. Then I forget a lot of things. Even if I do not forget, sometimes it happens that a lot of work is missed out. Question number 12. Do you manage your time well? How good are you at time management? Do you know the value of time? And what does time mean to you? It means you are managing your time, you're prioritizing, you know the importance of time. If you know the importance of time, and if your answer is yes, I can manage my time because I know that time is a very important factor. And we have to make full use of the time. And there's a proverb, make hay when the sun shines. So time is ticking by all the time. So we have to, I know that it is important, and that is why I manage my time well, because in a day I just get 24 hours and I have to make full use of it. The next question is very important. All these questions are important, and you need to talk about it. How do you handle change? Normally, change is one thing which people do not like. People resist change. If anything is changed, if somebody else changes your routine or schedule or whatever, then there's some kind of unrest. There's some kind of disturbance. And you have to, because you will rust out doing the same thing. So that everything needs a change. Change is important. But then people resist change. चेंज लोग करना नहीं चाहते हैं. They are so much happy with themselves. जैसे आपने पढ़ा था Who Moved My Cheese, उसमें क्या हो गया? They were so happy in their cheese station. पढ़ा था ना आप लोगों ने कि वो बाहर निकलना नहीं चाहते थे. Change is important, and how do you handle change? How do you make important decisions? आप किसी से कंसल्ट करते हैं या खुद डिसीजन लेते हैं? ये क्वेश्चन सिर्फ एक आंसर कर रहा है कि आप कितने डिसिसिव हैं. क्या आप आर यू स्किल्ड इनफ टू टेक डिसीजंस? हाउ डू यू मेक इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस? डू यू एनालाइज? डू यू थिंक about the pros and the cons, or do you need help? You ask people for advice. The next question is, can you work under pressure? If given any pressure, how can you handle pressure, or can you work under pressure? Many people get upset about when they work under pressure. Quality, sometimes we do not get the quality when we are working under pressure. We cannot give 100% when the deadline is there and you have to work really hard for it. So working under pressure can be very tiring. And in IT companies, the projects and everything, you will have to work under pressure. One project after the other project, one after the other, it will be coming to you. So if you are not in the habit of handling pressure, this is one thing. If this is your weakness, this is your drawback. So you cannot handle pressure because it hampers quality. Then you will have to work on it. Like, yes, you need to work under pressure. Here can you work well? The word well is over here. Under pressure. किसी तरह से काम खत्म कर लेना नहीं. मीटिंग डेडलाइंस ओके, किसी तरह से आपने कर दिया. But sometimes if you are doing like this, if you are just wrapping up and not working well, that does not answer the question. So the question is, can you work well under pressure? So this set was done. You need to answer these 15 questions, and I'll be asking you in the next class. So come prepared, because see, this is the only time where you can time given, and if you're managing your time well, this is the time to improve. And then there's some say something about your family. There's some proper use of siblings. Like when you're talking about your family and siblings, your own sisters and brothers, you speak about your family, your parents. Their names are not important, but yes, what they are doing, it is important. Their profession is important. And if your mother is a homemaker, define that. We do not want you to spill out their names. कोई जरूरी नाम जरूरी नहीं है, क्या करते हैं स्पेसिफाई करना उसको है, ठीक है. And proper use of siblings. So you can frame sentences like there's some helpline that I've given. Like, we are 3 siblings. That is me, my brother, and my sister. There are 3 siblings in my family, or I am one of the 3 siblings. We are a family of 3 siblings. I am the youngest or the eldest of 3 siblings, 4 siblings. I am the only son. I am the only daughter. If you are the only one, I am the only son, only daughter. I have been brought up in in a very disciplined atmosphere where values and principles have always been given priority. So आपको ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं बोलना, बस that's it. Your parents' profession, about your siblings, and a little bit describing your family. Like the disciplined atmosphere. Values and principles have always been given priority. That's it. ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना ही नहीं. I come from a supportive family. Some helpline I have made prepared for you. My father is an educator, is a farmer. Whereas my mother is a homemaker. My parents have been a great source of motivation in my life. I have a brother and a sister. They all are loving and supporting in nature. Simply, they are loving and supporting. That's it. Do not speak more, do not speak less. So, today we have discussed these 15 questions and about your family. I would like you to prepare on these lines. You can write it down if you want to. Hello? Batch 1, roll number 31. Batch 1, 51. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. 51 Niketan, ma'am.
Yeah, are you writing it down? आप लिख रहे हो क्या?
No, ma'am. Screenshot.
Okay. So 15 questions I've given you as I had promised. 15 questions which includes about yourself and about your family. Right? Now, is there any question which you want to discuss right now? कैसे लिखना है? चलिए शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से. Tell me about yourself. इसमें क्या क्या लिखेंगे, क्या क्या बोलेंगे इसमें आप? Your name, आपका होम टाउन, आपका करंट क्वालिफिकेशन एजुकेशनल, आपका इंटरेस्ट, आपका हॉबीज, लैंग्वेजेस विच यू कैन स्पीक, लॉन्ग टर्म, शॉर्ट टर्म, सब इसी में आ जाता है. Do not make it very lengthy. Try to concise. Tell me about yourself in not more than 2 minutes. And there was one question which I missed it out. Tell me about your hometown. Hometown, this is very important. I will give you a PPT on this. What are the things that you will describe about your hometown? Maybe in the next class. क्या क्या चीज़ इंक्लूड करना होता है अपने होम टाउन में? It is a technical questions. There are some 16 to 17 points that will be included, like how are the roads, how are the buildings, the education system, sorry, the administration, pollution, roads, buildings, entertainments, a lot of things are included. तो ये आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में दे देंगे, how to speak about your hometown. Otherwise, is there anything you would like to discuss today? Or if you have written down the questions, let us start on. Like IHS is moving on, and I had interviewed Vaibhav Sagar and Pankaj Patel, and then I wanted to interview one student in every class. So let me prepare you first. आपको लग रहा होगा प्रिपेयर नहीं हुआ है हमारा और मैम क्वेश्चन पूछ रही, तो ऐसा नहीं है. लेट अस प्रिपेयर फर्स्ट, एंड जब आप प्रिपेयर हो जाएंगे तो आप खुद बताएंगे कि मैम टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव माय इंटरव्यू. ठीक है? तो ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन 15 में है कि आप उसको डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे आज? एनी क्वेश्चन विच यू वांट टू डिस्कस? लिखना आप ही को, बिकॉज यू राइट द आंसर एंड राइट ऑल द आंसर्स. लिख लेंगे, जब तक नहीं लिखेंगे ना क्या बोलेंगे समझ में नहीं आता. लिख लेने से यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड, आप सॉर्टेड हो जाते हैं कि ऐसे ये पूछना है, ये करना है हमको, और इसको ऐसे ही पूछना है, ऐसे ही करना ही. ठीक है?